What up, beautiful people? How are you guys doing today? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Jim Frances Ezonyi, and in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to achieve this crisscross curly crochet hair using just expression braiding hair. Are you new on here? If you're new, please click the subscribe button and join the family. Yeah, for my returning subscribers, you guys are all welcome back. So watch this tutorial to the very end to see the entire process. So I'm starting off with this expression braiding hair in color 1. Yes, I go ahead and open that up and cut that into 2 and go ahead to feather the ends. Guys, you want to do this except like you bought the pre-prepped one or pre-stretched, whatever it's called. So I go ahead and do this, and once I'm done, I comb this out and moisturize it with petroleum jelly. This is what it looks like once I am done. So yeah, so now on to the next step. I go ahead and take that amount of hair and wrap it around this yarn that I tied around the leg of my desk. So and then I take a single piece of yarn this time around and tie it 3 to 4 times at the beginning, and then start tying it at intervals around the hair, right? You just have to give space, you guys. If not, this will not be you will not be able to move this once you're done. Now once you tie this to the very end, you're going to hold the yarn as though you're pulling it backwards and just push the hair forward. And yeah, that is basically it, you guys. Push this till you get to the very end. Now you're going to tie the end of that to secure what you just formed. If not, that entire thing is going to unravel. So just tie it to secure it, and that is basically it, you guys. This is easy peasy. Yeah, I'm going to show you again. So take another piece of hair and just wrap it around that yarn, and then take a single piece of yarn, tie this 2 to 3 to 4 times around the hair at the beginning, and then you now start tying around the hair, this time around giving space. You do not want to tie everything too closely together. You will not be able to form that spiral kind of curl at the end. So guys, this is basically African threading method, right? This is just African threading, but this time around you're just doing it on an extension and then with a yarn. So remember what I said, you have to give space as you're doing this so that you'll be able to push this forward once you get to the end. Now once you get to the end, leaving that little piece of hair behind, hold the yarn as though you're pulling it backwards and then push the hair forward till you get to the end of that. And that is basically it, you guys. This is really easy and simple and quick as well. So guys, another point to note is as you're tying this at intervals down the hair, do not tie this really tight so that once you get to the end, you'll be able to push it forward. So yeah, that is all there is to this, you guys. Now this is what the whole thing looks like once I was done. Yeah. So guys, we're just gonna go ahead and dip that spiral curls, let's just call it spiral curls, in some hot water with conditioner, to reduce the frizz you get with this. So I'm just gonna let this sit for a hot minute inside the hot water, right? And then go ahead and take it out and let this air dry completely. Now you guys, this doesn't dry as fast as the type you call with straws, so you're gonna have to leave this about 2 to 3 days for it to dry completely. Now this is what it looks like once it has completely dried. Now I'm gonna take this out and unravel that. So I'll go ahead and cut off that end that you tie to secure it and take out the rest of the yarn. And guys, this is what the core looks like. This is what the hair looks like. You go ahead to unravel it, right, like so. So you guys, this is what it looks like once you have unraveled that and cut off the ends. So you guys, this is basically it. Now I went ahead to like separate the cores even more, and this is what you get once you do that. So guys, onto the installation. This is my hair, dried, like stretched with braids, and I did go ahead to take that down and comb out my hair. Now I divided like my hair into sections. I first of all like sectioned my hair into two from ear to ear, and then went ahead to section out the front into 5 sections. So now I'll be starting off with this very section. I just go ahead and make that straight part and section it even into smaller boxes. So once I do that, I am just going to go ahead to secure the 2 boxes in front with an elastic band. Yeah, I'm gonna apply some shine and jam and secure with elastic band, and then go ahead to twist each one in front to the very end. So I'm going to part the back section and take the one in front and cross it over to the one at the back in a crisscross manner, like so. Like I take the left to the right and the right to the left, and I secure that with an elastic band. And yeah, and I do the exact same thing on the other side. So I take the hair, the front section, and then pass it to the back section in an opposite direction, if that makes sense, and just secure that with an elastic band. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and twist that one to the very end as well. So yeah, that is basically it, you guys. So I'm just gonna continue repeating the same process for the entire front section, because the entire front section we are doing crisscross. So yeah. So guys, this is what my hair looks like once I was done with the crisscross in the front section. I'm just gonna go ahead to cornrow my hair at the back. So yeah guys, remember I had 5 sections for the crisscross. Now for the 2 side section, I'm just gonna tuck those twists into the cornrows, and I'm gonna leave the rest hanging. So this is what the cornrow looks like, guys. You can basically flat twist, you can do braid your hair, pack them, whatever allows you to crochet this extension to your hair is okay. So you can see it's quite a messy one, so I go ahead to tuck that very end inside the cornrow and start crocheting this curls to my hair. So yeah, so for the back section, I'm just pretty much going to do the normal crochet method. Just pass your crochet through your hair, attach the spiral curl, and then pull it through. And then when you pull it through, you're going to just hold your hair and form that knot like so, so that you are able to secure that. Guys, I don't know what I'm explaining at this point, but guys, just watch the video. It's pretty much like explains what I'm trying to say. Guys, English is hard. English is stressful, you guys. So guys, for the front section, as you can see, the method is a little different. So instead of passing the 2 strands through that loop or whatever that is, I just pass 1 strand and then holding the other strand, I tie a knot. Now this method literally hides that knot. The knot will not be visible, so I guess that is it, you guys. So yeah, have you subscribed to my channel yet? Guys, if you haven't, please click on the subscription button and join the family, and turn on your post notification bell so that you know when I post a new video. And if you're enjoying the video so far, please be kind enough to give me a thumbs up. Please like my video, guys. It helps like other people see this video. So thank you. And yeah, now that I am done crocheting the back, so I'm just going to go ahead to make some passion twist in the front. So I just use the crochet method to attach this extension. We are using the same extension, the spiral curl. So I go ahead and attach this to my hair and then unravel that twist like so. So once I do that, I'm just gonna go ahead and start twisting. Guys, I twist this to the very end. Now, like I said earlier, I did tucking the crisscross, the end of the crisscross from the 2 side section in the cornrows, because guys, I do not want to have a whole lot of twist going on in front. I still want that coily hair coming through with just a little bit of that twist, right? So at the end of the day, like if you do want to twist the entire like crisscross, like at the end of the crisscross, you can go ahead and do that, but this is just the way I want it. I just want that little detail of that twist, then with the curly hair still coming through. So yeah, so once I was done twisting, I did go ahead to add some more spiral curls at the back wherever I feel the need to. I did do that and then went ahead to start attaching the bead to the twist. So yeah, so now I'm going to use the crochet to attach the bead to the twist. So I go ahead and put the number of beads that I want and then attach the end of that twist to the hook of the crochet and then pull it through. As you're pulling it through, you're pushing the bead into that twist. So I go ahead and fold the end of that twist into 2 and then secure that fold with an elastic band. Now once I'm done doing that, I go ahead to cut off the excess like so. So yeah, and then with that, the bead is secured. It doesn't get to fall off the hair, it stays put. Again, I'm showing you how I attach my beads to the twist. Once I have put the bead in the twist, I go ahead to, fold the twist like so and use this elastic band to secure that fold. Now, you guys, I don't know if I've seen anyone do this. I just, figure that this will help you stay and make the bead, look really good without looking distorted. So now that I've cut off that end, I go ahead to push like those rough cuts into the bead, and then yeah, so this is me like trying to pull it, like push it to see if it will go through, but it's not going through. So guys, it's properly secured. So yeah, now I just go ahead, and apply some oil to my scalp, my edges, like my entire scalp, you guys, and go ahead to massage that. And guys, I really have dandruff, dry scalp, so I don't want any flaky anything. So yeah, now I just go ahead to apply some mousse just on the crisscross and the twist. So I just go ahead to, apply the mousse and layered my edges as well and tied everything down. So yeah. So guys, this is the finished look. Guys, this hair is giving. Like, look how beautiful this looks. Like everything came together really well. The bead, the twists, like the coil, the crisscross. Guys, I love this. And it doesn't even feel like I have anything on my hair right about now. Like, to think that this hair is this full at the back and fluffy, guys, it feels so weightless and it feels really good. I love it. Guys, if you made it to this point, you are the real MVP. And if you haven't subscribed, please click the subscribe button, give me a thumbs up, and comment down below if you have any question or any recommendations. Yeah, thank you guys once again for coming back to rock with me on this channel. I do appreciate you guys. Thank you and see you next time. Bye.